Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm seeing a bunch of quick errors right off the bat when you guys are trying to do the geometric probability on the first couple of questions. Remember, when you're trying to find geometric probability, you're trying to find the area of the shaded region divided by the total area. Okay? So if we look at an example here, and let's look at the very first one. The area of the shaded region here is created by the area of the shaded region here is created by the rectangle, and then there's a small rectangle cut out of it. Okay? So in this case, what we do is we know that we have the large rectangle that is 15 by 9, and that's the shade, the big part here, but we have to cut out this piece in the middle. So you have to subtract out the 9 by 3. This gives you the area of the shaded. So the area of the shaded here, if we take 15 times 9 and subtract 9 times 3, I get 108. That's my numerator. Okay, don't pay attention to this here. My denominator is going to be the whole shape again, the 15 by 9. So 15 by 9 is 135. So then I type that in my calculator, 108 over 135, and I get 4/5 is the geometric probability. Okay? To the circle one on 2. Here you've got the circle. The circle has a radius then of 5 because the diameter goes across at 10. To get the shaded area here, you've got the area. Let me just put this in a separate page here. If we take this one, the shaded area is created by the circle is cut out of a square. So the large shape is your square. That was 10 by 10. And you have to subtract the circle. Well, the circle has a radius of 5, so it's 5 squared pi. That's the area of the shaded region. So when I type that in my calculator, 10 times 10, oops, and then I have to subtract parentheses 5 squared pi. You have to put that secondary part in parentheses because you have the multiplication of pi. So your numerator is some ugly number. Okay? We know that it has to be divided by the total area. The total area was the 100. So we just take this and divide it by 100, and you get some crummy decimal. Let's see, if we do this, I believe it's second. Oh well, 0.21. We'll call it 0.21 is the geometric probability on that one. Okay. Now in this one, easiest thing to think of is that you have a trapezoid, it's the large shape, and you have to subtract out the rectangle in the middle. On this one, you have the rectangle, but you have to subtract out 2 circles. Well, each circle, if this whole way across is 4, that means each circle has a diameter of 2, which means their radius is 1. So you have to subtract out the 2 circles. Down here, you have the radius of the large circle is 4, but the radius of the diameter of the small circle is 4, which means its radius is 2. Okay? Hopefully those little tips will help you out some. Take it easy. We'll see you guys later.